Hello, hello. Thank you so much, Helen. Hi, everyone, and thank you to Sephora and Sephora. We are thrilled to be here. I mean, let's face it, Sephora is the gold standard in beauty, and we are so proud to be an exclusive partner at Sephora. Okay, today we're doing a masterclass. To help me explain that and to show you exactly how we're going to do it, I'm going to bring out two of my favorite people. Sara Wren, our Director of Artistry. She is the oracle of Milk Makeup.
Hello, everyone. How's it going? Thank you, Zanna. I didn't want to cut you off. How are you?
I mean,
so happy to be here. And we have a really special guest.
Really special?
Yes.
How did we get this?
I know.
How did this happen?
I begged, I pleaded, I called in favors. You might know her as the internet's big sister. We at Milk Makeup call her family. Please welcome Tefi Pessoa to the stage.
Tefi! Calm down, everyone.
Please, hop in.
So good. Okay, right. You guys probably know that Milk Makeup is famous for our clean, long wear complexion. So that is exactly what we're going to demonstrate today. But obviously, being Milk, we are going to do it in a way that we're infusing some of our favorite makeup trends of the moment. Sara, what are we starting with?
Well, I figured since we have the star of our Hydro Grip commercial, that we should start with Hydro Grip Primer. It's kind of the essential start to any makeup look.
How is it seeing yourself in subway stations all over TV?
Oh, I have to tell myself to get a grip. Hydro Grip.
That was not planned, but that was amazing. Okay, so we're going to go in here with the Hydro Grip.
Yeah, this is, it's Sephora's favorite primer. It's a best-selling primer because the formula is so effective, right? We're using blue agave in there. That's what's gripping on Tefi's makeup. And there's also hyaluronic acid, aloe, sweet cherry, all these great ingredients that help hydrate and protect the skin. And it's a dimethicone and silicone-free formula.
It looks delicious.
So when I apply, just 2 or 3 pumps, less is more. I think we all like to use a lot of products and really go in, but this is a less is more product. So just 2 or 3 pumps is all you need, and we're gonna give it a 60-second dry down. You wanna make sure you have that 60 seconds to allow that grip to activate before you apply other makeup.
Got it.
In 60 seconds, Z, I'm gonna put you on the spot. Can you give me the story of Milk Makeup in 60 seconds?
In 60 seconds?
60 seconds.
No problem. All right, so talk about Milk Makeup. We have to rewind and really talk about Milk Studios, which is where it was born. So Milk Studios is this epic, world-renowned photo studio downtown in the meatpacking and also in Los Angeles. Anyone who's really worked there, there's been the most incredible photo shoots, gallery exhibitions, runway shows, parties, jam sessions, parties, lots and lots of parties. And so basically, it's all where all the creatives live, right? They live and they work there. You can think of anyone in fashion, art, music, beauty, technology. And we would literally just sit in the lobby or in the bar at Milk Studios and look at the way that these people were wearing makeup, right? And it was less about this almost hyper-glam look that we were seeing being produced in the studios. It was on the covers of the magazine. It was more about the way that the stylist was wearing the makeup, or the photographer's assistant was wearing the makeup, or the model, after the shoot, when she scrubbed the whole makeup off in the bathroom, and then literally got Vaseline and just put it on her eyebrows and her cheeks, and then she was good to go. Right, so it was these off-label ways of using makeup. And we were just inspired by the utilitarian of it and creative problem solutions. So we had an idea to pitch this to Sephora. We wangled a meeting at Sephora HQ in San Francisco, which is fabulous if you could ever get the chance to go. How we got this meeting, I don't know. But we sat there in a boardroom, myself, Georgie, and Rassi, and Diana, and pitched the idea of a clean, vegan, cool, utilitarian, really multitasking makeup line. They looked at us like we were crazy and literally said, if you guys can do that, we're in. So 7 years later, we're in 1,600 Sephoras globally, 25 countries. We have the #1 best-selling primer over here in Sephora, and we are beloved by this amazing community.
And we're finally back at Sephora. It's amazing.
Oh, we're back at Sephora.
Yes.
Was that 60 seconds?
It was 60 seconds. And in that time, we're doing full brows fast. So a great thing to do while you're allowing hydro to dry down is to do a little bit of brows really quick. So I've already gone in with the Kush Brow Fam and Teffy's brows. That's all infused with hemp seed oil to really condition the brows. So I've done a light fill. Teffy has bleached brows right now, which I'm really digging. It's such a vibe.
Sick.
I love it.
Really
Please
good.
keep them. So I've gone in with MJ in our Kush Brow Shadow Stick. So this is like your pencil, your pomade, your stick, all in one in a brow product. And it just gives a light shadow to the brow. So just gently filling in, using the spoolie to comb through.
Could that be any easier?
Right?
This is what we mean by the unmasterclass masterclass. Everything is really easy to use. Radical ease of use has always been our MO at Milk Makeup, and that is such good color.
I mean, perfect shade.
Are you doing the Kush Brow gel there,
Yes,
lamination?
I'm going to do the lamination gel, which I'm really obsessed with. I think it's not only perfectly timed trend-wise, but our PD team has done such an amazing job with making a really long wear hold formula, but they've done this really cool brush. I'm going to just show you how I like to use it really quickly. We have a dual-ended brush here. So I take the longer side and I'll back comb the brow.
Ooh, I haven't seen this.
Yeah. When you back comb it, it really coats the brow hairs so that when you go up with the shorter end to style them, it's completely coated and the brows are not going to move.
You are, I told you, she's full of the tricks. So the great thing about this product is it's alcohol-free. It's one of the first in the market that's actually an alcohol-free brow holder. And for that reason, there are no crispy brows. There is none of that white residue when you look like your eyebrows have dandruff. That's not going to happen with this. And you're going to end up looking like Teffy. I mean,
Full brows fast.
full brow.
Look, gorgeous. I love the blonde brows.
Good. And what do we got? Oh, I see the
Yes,
Future Fluid
let's get
coming out.
into it. Yeah, I think our Hydro Grip is all grippy and ready to go, so we're going to go in with Future Fluid.
The thing is, you don't even need anything after Hydro Grip because your skin looks so good. But we No, I'm not just being nice. I'm really close to you and you look amazing. But we are going to use our Future Fluid. So this was created basically because of that trend that we're really seeing as well in the idea of less is more, right? Skinimalism, we're calling it. So, right, you like that? You like that? Runways, red carpets, TikTok, Instagram. You're really seeing the return of like less is more and seeing real skin as opposed to just seeing makeup. So we created this multitasking concealer, which also doubles as a foundation if you wanted to use it all over. It's also great for sculpting, but it's more importantly than any of this, it's super hydrating. It contains the most delicious ingredients, right, Sarah?
Yeah, we have 6 plant-based ingredients in this formula. So we call it our Skin Barrier Restoring Complex. And that's hyaluronic acid to hydrate. There's caffeine in there that helps promote circulation. There's arnica and aloe, which helps soothe. And then Defensil and Revival, which are really great for protecting and kind of nourishing your skin's microbiome.
Sarah's Science Corner over there. But she's basically saying is the more you wear it, the better your skin looks. And in fact, tests show that even after a few days of wearing this, skin looks smoother and much more revived.
Yes, I think it's like the 28-day challenge to better skin with this.
This looks gorgeous. So beautiful. So fresh.
So fresh. Really lovely.
Nice. Oh my God.
All right, what's
I
up
think
next?
we got to get into sticks. You cannot do a Milk Makeup look without sticks. So I've brought kind of the full assortment of our sticks here. We have our Sculpt Stick, our Matte Bronzer Stick, our Highlighter Stick, and of course our Lip and Cheek Stick. So I'm just going to get to it. I like to do, this is a really great trick if you are overwhelmed by the amount of brushes that you see in the market. One brush to blend all of these together makes a really, really seamless look. So I usually pick one really beautiful blending brush and use it throughout. So you'll see me do that.
I just personally like to use my fingers for everything. But
I'm going to use fingers too. We're going to do a little bit of both.
I was like, the phalanges are enough for me.
So you got a selection of sticks here, but we actually have, is it 27 now?
27?
It was an OG product, right? We always wanted to have basically everything to be, you could use it on the go. Again, radical ease of use, super utilitarian. The tool, the component is the tool, basically, so you don't need added tools to use it. 5 reasons I love these sticks, though. 1, they are completely filled with the most delicious skincare ingredients. Avocado oil, mango oil, which really hydrates the skin and makes them super blendable as well. And they're really malleable on the skin, right?
Yeah.
Number 2 is they're small, but they are mighty. We actually had lovely Sydney from our team, sorry Sydney, test how many swipes you could get from one of these sticks. It's literally 1,000 plus, which is incredible. And I don't know, I mean, you're rarely going to get to the bottom of one. They're small, so they are lightweight and they fit great for travel. I can have 5 in the bottom of my bag and not even realize, or in any pockets, it's not going to weigh it down. And they're also super precise. As you can see, Sarah can go in here, on the top of the cheekbone, on the lip, on the bridge of the nose, on the eye, wherever you want to go. How cute. And they're also beloved by, can I name drop? Okay,
yes.
They're beloved by a few celebrities. SJP is a big fan of Perk. Hang on, Hailey Bieber is Rally.
Bieber loves Rally.
I
think she
and Halle
sold out the
Bailey
shade.
loves, which color?
She used Quickie.
Quickie.
Quickie on the Little Mermaid set. That's what she's wearing throughout.
So that's just a few, you know. Oh. And Teffy's mom, the biggest celebrity of all, Oscar-winning actress, mother of the great.
Gorge.
ASMR.
Mate, this looks so beautiful.
I'm applying a little bit of, so I've done the same color Muse on the lip and the cheek. Obviously, it's our famous lip and cheek. But I'm going to go in, I think, with some newness next. I think that we have to have the Sephora debut of Odyssey Lip Oil Gloss.
Crazy.
It's so beautiful. I'm using shade Voyage on Tiffany.
Voyage. So these are actually, so Odyssey means journey, and they're all named after different journeys. So, because life is a journey, and you always have a lip gloss with you. And I think, actually, whose first beauty product out there was a lip gloss? Yeah, big sea of hands, big sea of hands.
Yeah.
So Voyage, we have Globetrot, we have Trek, we have them all. Now, the beauty of this, it's not just a gloss. Oh no, it's a lip oil gloss. So basically a hybrid as all our products. This has the highest shine, like a gloss, but it's got the most nourishing oils in it again. Jojoba, cloudberry, sunflower, avocado oil. It really does feel the most nourishing on your lips. I mean, did you see the reviews as well? I was looking at the 5-star reviews across the board on Sephora for this incredible product.
I mean, you spoke on Globetrot. That shade sold out, I think, like 2 days into the release, and it's one of the shimmer shades. And the shimmer shades of this formula, I don't even think I told you this, they contain actual crushed rubies and sapphires.
Teffy and I are putting them in our pockets to try to sell them on the street.
When did you start keeping secrets?
We love a metaphysical, fancy moment at Milk Makeup.
That looks gorgeous. So you put which color underneath that, Sarah?
So we have Muse, which is on the lips and the cheeks, but when applied straight from the stick, it's just a little bit more opaque, and then Voyage right on top. And it looks a little scary in there, but I promise it's a really beautiful combo together.
How beautiful your face. I mean, you could have stopped at the beginning, but look at this. Girl, go. Okay, what is next?
Amazing. The one and the only, the alpha, the omega.
She says this because this really is the product that kind of started it all for us. So this is Kush Mascara. You probably all know of Kush Mascara. Mm-hmm. It is a game changer of a mascara. So it contains hemp seed oil. That is the most nourishing ingredient you can find in a mascara. We often say that it's like a hair mask for your lashes. There is no fallout. It's tug-free removal as well. Mm-hmm. And it also is the blackest of black colors. And it's a clean mascara, which is a really hard thing to do. In fact, P&D said that this product nearly killed them to create, but it was worth it. What are you doing with that brush, though?
It did, yeah.
She's got some more tricks, guys.
This is one of my favorite tricks. I think a lot of the times on set or when I have models or clients, they're always talking about how, when you put on your mascara, you've worked on this beautiful eye look, right? You've got your smoky eye perfect, your cut crease, and then you go to put on your mascara, mouth open, that whole thing, and then you get mascara all over your lid. It's the worst. So I have a great trick for when self-applying. I also use it on models, too. You probably saw me have Teffy look down. And if you look down, instead of kind of looking straight into a mirror, you can get up under the lash and really coat it while keeping both eyes open. I'm actually going to have you do it. This is a little hack, too. The top of this is a mirror. Did you know that?
See?
Okay.
You want
to give it a try?
She can find a mirror.
So you're going to look down. Yeah, so hold it even down. Yeah, that's perfect. See? This way we have that whole lid is protected. And the little bend that I put in the Kush wand just allows you to get up under there, and it's not going to, just a slight bend. You don't want to do, break off your mascara.
Sarah,
But,
this is genius.
I mean, how easy does that make it?
You know me. I love protection.
There it is.
That is such a good trick that I've actually never seen you do.
Right. Yeah, because there's nothing worse than working on your makeup and then ruining it all.
When it first came out, I don't know if it, I think it was you that I texted that it was so incredible that I asked you if it was called Kush for a reason, and you said, no, Teffy. I said, oh, I'm just checking.
No, I think we were pioneers in that department. Well, you and your team, because I had come on after Kush, but using hemp seed oil in this formula, it's vegan, it's clean, it really nourishes the lashes, and it's milk, so we got to stay a little cheeky.
It's got these amazing fibers, right? So you think about these really thickening fibers that sit on the lash in more of a bulbous shape as opposed to a spiky shape. So it actually makes your lashes thicker instead of spiky.
Yeah.
C'est voilà.
Say what? Which means?
There you go, I think.
Go.
I don't know, you just came back from Paris, not me.
All right, so I think we're rounding the corner and set and refresh.
This is too quick. It's too. I
know.
Oh, well, no,
She's
this
done a
is-
whole
I mean,
thing.
that's the beauty of milk products. You can. I like to get comfortable and sit in front of the mirror for an hour and do makeup, or if you need to get out the door and get going,
5
20
minutes or on
do
the
that.
go, as
There
per
it is.
usual. Literally do it in the car.
So I have another trick from another star of the Hydro video, Nikita, who is a friend of ours.
We love.
She's a really talented makeup artist, but she taught me this trick about setting your setting powder. So creating
say that again.
layers, it's setting your setting powder.
Okay, I'm in.
All credit to Nikita on that one. So this is really nice for when you want to create those layers in between your makeup that help lock it in, those thin layers that make your makeup last all day. Because with the Hydro Fan, when it's on, and your makeup's going to last 12 hours. So before I powder, this is going to seem a little counterintuitive, but before I powder, I'm going to go in with Set and Refresh spray. Give it a nice shake.
Good shakes. Shakes important.
Do a test spray, and it's a really beautiful spray. It has a halo sprayer on there, so it gives a nice, beautiful, even mist. And just like Hydro Grip, it has blue agave in it, hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and there's also added moringa seed oil to give you that boost of hydration.
But no alcohol, which is great so it's not drying. I love using this on planes. So often you see people refreshing on a plane, and it's the worst thing to do because it's got alcohol in it. It's drying your skin even more. This is a game changer.
So I've let that dry, about 60 seconds to let it dry. And now I'm going to go in with our brand new Pore Eclipse.
Newness
setting
alert.
powder. So we have our Pore Eclipse Fam. That's kind of the yin to the yang that is the Hydro Fam. Really great for controlling shine, but not killing your glow, essentially. So the Pore Eclipse Fam is filled with niacinamide, lentil extract, bakuchiol, all things that are going to absorb oil and help smooth the appearance of skin.
Lentil extract is very unusual in a product like this, right? But it does literally suck up the extra oil.
It does. It's also
Sound good? You like my effect?
It's one of the only ingredients that reduces pore size over time.
It does?
It does. It does. Put it on. Yeah? You want to? You ready? So I took a little bit. We have this great sifter in there. So I took a little bit right into the cap, just a little tap out. And this actually locks. See, if you want to do the little lock mechanism. Sorry, I realize your hands are full. When
We had this, actually, we did a big press day recently. And all the makeup artists were just so happy about this lock system because you're not going to spill it everywhere. You can put it in your bag and you are done. It's not going to go anywhere.
Yeah, I think historically when you have a loose powder in your kit or in your bag, it's like you always run the risk of it exploding in there. So having that lock on is
It's not going to
perfect.
happen. Look, I was really risking it then. That could have been a disaster.
That could have been.
Like, can you imagine?
So taking a little bit of Pore Eclipse just through the, oh no, don't get it on me now. Taking a little bit of it through the center of the face. Again, I want to control shine, but I want to keep the glow. So I'm just taking it right through the center of that powder. And that could be beautiful. That is flawless. You could stop there, but Teffy has a long day ahead of her. You're going somewhere today? Yeah, where are you going?
I'm going to Las Vegas to see Lady
There we
Gaga.
go.
She's waiting for me. She's expecting me. I can't wait.
So this needs to last.
No,
We're getting
no.
on a plane. So I'm going
Leave it.
right on top with another spray of Hydro Grip. Close. There we go. And that's going to lock everything in. Let me get detail. That's going to lock everything in, that fine mist. And we've set our setting spray. So Teffy's skin is dewy. I mean, that's the look. How easy
Can
could
we have
be?
a
did
close-up
brows,
on
we
that?
did skin. I mean, stunning.
Look how beautiful that is. Wow.
Beautiful.
It's just like the commercial right now. Teffy, you're amazing.
Thank
Sarah,
you.
you're an absolute genius.
Thank you.
And I always learn so many hacks, and everyone should follow Sarah on our Instagram too, because she is like the tip hack central oracle of milk makeup. And she's not bad either.
Thank you. Thank you, Teffy, for joining us. And thank you, Sephora, for having us.
Thank you, Sephora. We love you, and thank you, everyone, for watching.